Next time
Lordship,
you
may
refer to the council as misleading the court,
Yes.
I'll take you to task.
yes, please.
Never say that. Apologize to him right now.
I apologize, but I submit.
No, don't submit. Apologize. I'm qualified.
Lordship misleading है.
Apologize.
लॉर्डशिप मिसलीड कर रहे, कंप्लीटली मिसलीड कर रहे. ऑनरेबल दिस कोर्ट ने मेरे इस जो अमाउंट डिपॉजिट किया है उसकी विड्रॉल को भी अलाउ कर दिया है. मैंने
He is trying to create confusion.
नो लॉर्डशिप,
He is unnecessary.
Just wait for a
He is unnecessarily without listening to my lord. He is saying that I am misleading the court.
Wait, Abhijit. He has slowed this.
There are two portion in the last order 28 अप्रैल 2025 में दो पोर्शन था. एक तो ये था जो इंटायर अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करने का था. मेरी दो आए एप्लीकेशन बिफोर दिस ऑनरेबल को पेंडिंग था. अनडिस्प्यूटेड एडमिटेड एक्स्ट्रा आइटम क्वांटिटी का पेमेंट करना था इनको, जो ऑर्डर कोर्ट ने दिया था डिपॉजिट करने का. नेक्स्ट डेट के पहले डिपॉजिट करने का
ऑर्डर जो है अवार्ड में जितना अमाउंट मेंशन है वो पेमेंट है.
मैं
बाकी देख लेते.
नहीं लॉर्डशिप, आपने ऑर्डर दिया हुआ है. मैं 28 अप्रैल का ऑर्डर आपके सामने पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. 28 अप्रैल 2025 का ऑनरेबल कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है. उसमें दो मैं पढ़ता हूँ लॉर्डशिप. Learned counsel for the petitioner prays for the some more time to deposit the amount in terms of the order dated 8/4/25. तो this is the one part जिसके बारे में अभी बात हो रही थी. उसके लिए ऑनरेबल लेट द सेम बी डिपॉजिटेड विद इन 3 weeks. तो ये तो हुआ वन पार्ट. अब सेकेंड पार्ट में नीचे पढ़ रहा हूँ लॉर्डशिप. Respondent seeks the direction to the petitioner to pay the undisputed admitted amount. Issue notice accepted by the learned counsel for the petitioner who pray for time to take instructions. Reply be filed before 21st June 2025, जो आज तक दिनांक तक नहीं दिया गया. Now, in the meantime, in case there is any amount which is admitted by the petitioner as payable to the respondent, same shall be paid to the respondent before the next date of hearing without the requirement of any security. However, in the case the amount is disputed, the dispute shall be so spelled out in the reply to be filed by the petitioner.
Have you filed a reply to IA number 8?
They
Well,
failed.
To IAs?
No reply has been filed to that, my lord. Now, what is happening, my lord? There is the total award is of rupees 15 lakh over and above that we are required to pay 8% interest from the year 2000. Now, what is happening? What the question of there being undisputed amount and that to be released to him? We have already deposited the entire amount with the Honorable Registrar General. He can move an application for withdrawal of that amount. So this entire amount.
मिसलीड कर रहे हैं लॉर्डशिप, मिसलीड कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीटली मिसलीड कर रहे हैं. ऑनरेबल दिस कोर्ट ने मेरे इस जो अमाउंट डिपॉजिट किया है उसकी विड्रॉल को भी अलाउ कर दिया है. मैंने विड्रॉल भी कर लिया है जो अभी तक जमा किया है. बट जिस अमाउंट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ वो 1999 से 1999 से एक्स्ट्रा आइटम क्वांटिटी का केस
यानी ये अवार्ड का हिस्सा नहीं है.
नहीं है.
और अगर वो पेएबल तब होगा जब अगर वो लायबिलिटी एडमिट करते हैं.
कर चुके हैं और वही मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ डॉक्टर. वही मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया.
So far as
Kindly give me some time to explain why it is undisputed and why it is admitted.
he is trying to create confusion.
No lordship, I'm not.
He is unnecessarily.
Just wait for a
He is unnecessarily without listening to my lord. He is saying that I am misleading the court.
Wait, Abhijit. He has slowed this. Next time
Lordship,
you
may
refer to the council as misleading the court,
Yes.
I'll take you to task.
yes, please.
Never say that. Apologize to him right now.
I apologize, but I submit.
No, don't submit. Apologize. I'm qualified.
लॉर्डशिप मिसलीडिंग है.
Apologize.
मैं कोर्ट के आर्डर पे अप्लाइज कर रहा हूँ बट मैं भी मुझे
Don't say misleading without it. He has not even had a. The order, the last order was that they would be allowed to file their reply to that, whether it's a disputed or an undisputed amount. Don't try to over-reach yourself. Just because you're a petitioner in person does not that mean that we prove all kind of nonsensical arguments from you. If you're unable to argue, employ a lawyer and bring him here.
I can prove my words.
You can prove your work.
Kindly give me a
But use language that is used in the court. If you can't do so, you'll go out of the court.
entire
Just that you insult an officer of the court, it's a criminal contempt of this court. Be careful about it. And if it's done in the view of this court, I can send you straight to jail from here. Don't push me to that extent. So keep your language, be mindful of what you say and how you say. Do not level any allegations against the council when you say it's misleading.
Yes, Lordship, misleading, completely
Put
misleading.
it on affidavit. So that
Yes,
if,
Lordship.
if that is a lie, then we can send you to jail on the basis of that affidavit. How it is misleading, put it on affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, I can put
Put it,
right now.
put it on affidavit. Do you understand the
It is in
meaning
the
of an
record.
affidavit?
It is in the record, Lordship.
Don't tell me all that. Put it on affidavit. Supported by your affidavit. I
After
need that. No,
after this court, I will put my affidavit, but
not
I,
after this court. Whatever you want to say right now, because you're making allegations against the council, when you say it's a misstatement of fact, put it on record.
Yes,
Because if
Lordship.
I need to take you to task, I need that.
Yes, Lordship, I
So
can,
do that.
I will
Please
do,
petition.
I will do.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, who is appearing in person, unversed with the nuances of advocacy, is crossing boundaries of propriety during the course of arguments. Full stop. As this court does encourage petitioners to appear in person, but nonetheless, it expects from such persons the usage or employment of language which is appropriate and respectful, more so towards the counsels appearing on behalf of the parties on the other side. Full stop. The respondent says that an additional amount which is not covered by the award for which he has filed a connected appeal, a connected revision, wherein the additional amounts are also admitted by the petitioner. Full stop. The respondent is directed to put his submissions on record, supported by an affidavit. Supported by an affidavit within 2 weeks from today. Full stop. Further arguments on IE number 8248 of 2025 and IE number 4656 of 2025 shall be considered thereafter. Full stop. The respondent is also warned that anything that he says which is incorrect or false or an unsubstantiated allegation against the other side, especially against the counsel who is an officer of the court, shall be deemed to be an act of criminal contempt.
My,
And if so, you're just giving a warning in the order.
my allegation is for the respondent, sir, not for the, petitioner.
Just a minute, when you say that he is misrepresenting, that's a counsel who's.
petitioner के against
Just
है,
a
sir.
moment, mister. Whatever your name is. What's your name?
मेरा allegation
What's
petitioner
your name? नाम क्या है आपका?
विजय सोनी.
Mr. Vijay Soni, so on. To ensure that the affidavit and the averments made here also conform to propriety, truth, and factual correctness. Full stop. This case after 2 weeks. For consideration of IA number 8248 of 2025 and IA number 4656 of 2025.
लॉर्डशिप, मेरा आग्रह है कि मैंने ये
आज
कहा,
नहीं होगा।
मैं नहीं करना चाहता,
आप जरा हट
बट मैं अपनी बात को कहना चाहता हूँ.
केसेस है, हमने टाइम दे दिया आपको, पहले आप इसको जो है एफिडेविट में डालिए, उसके बाद आपका
लॉर्डशिप,
केस-
मैं एफिडेविट में भी दूंगा, बट एक छोटा सा प्रश्न आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर जो मैंने जो ये कहा है कि मिसलीड किया, यस, मैंने नंबर 1 ऑनरेबल
काउंसिल आर्ग्यू कर रहा है और आप उसको कह रहे हैं कि मिसलीड कर रहे हैं। अभी हम आपके खिलाफ किसी बात का संज्ञान नहीं ले रहे।
जी लॉर्डशिप,
आपको एफिडेविट फाइल करने के लिए बोला है, उसमें जो आप लिखेंगे,
जी
अगर उसमें बातें कुछ ऐसी है,
हाँ लॉर्डशिप,
गलत पाएंगे तो आप उस समय संज्ञान लिया जा सकता है, लेंगे ये नहीं कहते।
मेरा एलिगेशन रिस्पेक्टेड
आप-
पर नहीं है,
आप-
मेरा एलिगेशन पिटिशनर पे है, पिटिशनर पर है और पिटिशनर
देखा
ही पर है.
जाएगा। आपको अभी एफिडेविट फाइल करने के लिए हमने आदेश दिया है, आप करिए उसको।
तो प्लीज मेरा पिटिशनर के लिए मैं है मेरे आपसे मेरा तो निजी द्वेष थोड़ी है।
मिस्टर सुदर्शन, सुदर्शन है आपका नाम?
यस, मेरे विजय सोनी,
विजय सोनी।
I'm authorized for-
Yes, अब हो गया है। अब आप अगली तारीख पे आके बहस करेंगे।
बट लॉर्डशिप मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि मेरा ये केस 25 साल पुराना है और ये
अरे
जो
तो हम
revision-
कल में आप टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट कर देंगे। आप अपना एफिडेविट फाइल करिए, अगले तारीख को हम टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट ले लेंगे उसको। टॉप ऑफ द लिस्ट ले लो।
बट लॉर्डशिप आज जो मेन मेरा केस लगा,
आज को नहीं, आज आपने जो कहा है उसके लिए आप एफिडेविट फाइल करिए, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे। समझ रहे हैं आप? या तो आप अपने लिए एक वकील कर लीजिए।
लॉर्डशिप इंटायर पिटिशन जो
Now step aside. Now step aside. We have to hear the other cases. Next.